and a very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. We have got you all the latest news and updates from the blockchain technology world. But first, let's take a look at the headlines. Cryptocurrencies slip on profit-taking. Bitcoin falls below $31,000. US Securities Regulator launches investigation against Binance BNB. NFT game Illuvium raises $72 million in digital land sales. Jack Ma's Ant Group launches digital bank in Singapore. Elrond's Mayar DEX shuts down over suspected foul play. AICTE becomes first accreditation body to have offices in Metaverse. Animoca brand's investment portfolio now worth over $1.5 billion. Epic Games partners with Gala Games for blockchain game Grit. Cryptocurrencies slipped into the red on profit-taking after a brief rally which started over the weekend ahead of US inflation data later this week and European Central Bank's rate-setting meeting on Thursday. The recent rally in riskier assets, including in stocks and cryptocurrency, were fueled by signs of an easing of COVID-19 pandemic-related and other restrictions by China after several weeks of lockdown. However, investors turned cautious ahead of the US Consumer Price Index data on Friday, which is forecast to have risen to 0.7% in May after rising 0.3% in April. While the US Federal Reserve is on track for half-a-point interest rate hikes at June and July policy meetings, a high inflation reading would add to expectations of aggressive tightening even in the second half of the year. Sentiments were also affected by strengthening of the dollar against the euro. Gold prices edged higher, indicating investors' preference for safe haven appeal. The largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization was recently trading at about $30,100, down about 0.4% over the past 24 hours. Ether, the second largest crypto by market cap, was changing hands at roughly $1,750, down over 4% over the same period. Other major altcoins that had risen significantly earlier on Monday also traded lower. The US Securities and Exchange Commission has reportedly launched an investigation into Binance BNB. The regulatory watchdog wants to determine whether or not the most popular exchange token is an unregistered security. Binance held its initial coin offerings back in July 2017. The exchange raised a total of $15 million. According to reports, the probe is yet to reach any conclusion. The regulator may not end up taking legal action against the exchange. BNB, which experienced immense growth in 2021, remains the fifth biggest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. The coin is currently trading at $286 after slipping 5.66% on the news. Illuvium, a monster battle role-playing game that incorporates non-fungible tokens, raised over $72 million in digital land sales. The land was sold this month between June 2 and 5. Out of 20,000 available plots of land, 19,969 were sold, with the remaining 31 plots held for future giveaways. However, there were no gas wars during the land sale, which occurs when Ethereum gas prices rise due to increased demand from users to complete transactions on the blockchain quickly. This is because Illuvium uses the Immutable engine developed by scaling tech developer Immutable to reduce NFT transaction fees and enable NFT self-custody. Illuvium is set to launch on PC and Mac OS in the third quarter of 2022. Ant Group, the company behind China's largest digital payment platform Alipay, has launched a neobank in Singapore named Next Bank. It will target small and medium enterprises. It has also formed a partnership with trading platform Proxtera to provide financial solutions for SMEs looking to participate in overseas trade. The bank, currently in soft launch, will offer a dual currency business account with features such as remote onboarding and daily interest. This will be made widely available from the third quarter of this year. Ant Group is controlled by billionaire Jack Ma and about a third owned by e-commerce giant Alibaba. Mayar Exchange, a decentralized exchange deployed on the Elrond network, was placed under maintenance following the detection of a set of suspicious activities. Benjamin Minsu, founder and CEO of Elrond, in a tweet confirmed that his team already launched an investigation into the suspicious activity detected on Mayar Exchange and would provide an update soon. Speculating on the nature of the suspicious activity detected, users of the platform believe that it might be an exploit of the Mayar DX or SC async calls through the detection of a way to hide some transactions or calls funds out of nowhere on the network. Mayar Exchange is still offline with an error page stating that users' funds are safe and rewards will continue. Immediately following the downtime, both the Elrond token and Maiar native token suffered a serious decline in price. EGLD is currently trading around $67, down by nearly 6% in the last 24 hours. Expanding its foothold in the virtual world, the All India Council for Technical Education has become the first accreditation body in the world to have its very own office space in the Metaverse. On Monday, Information Data System Incorporation unveiled the outlook of the AICTE in the Metaverse. Arvind Varuganti, Vice President, Blockchain Practices and Products at IDS, announced the launch of Polyversity, a virtual university which has the simulated presence of various academic institutions, including the premises of AICTE. Varuganti showcased the virtual avatar of the Polyversity, which has a shopping complex, sports complex, auditoriums, and even classrooms where a student can attend lectures virtually. IDS has also launched another initiative called Bharat Blockchain Network, which is the world's largest academic blockchain network with over 100 universities and academic partners. Animoca Brands, a Hong Kong-based gaming software company's investment in non-fungible tokens and metaverse projects has ballooned to over $1.5 billion across more than 340 investments at the end of April. Bookings and other income climbed to $573 million for the first 4 months of 2022 from $148 million in the fourth quarter of last year, disclosures show. At the end of April, cash balances were $98 million and digital asset holdings were $211 million. USDC, USDT, BUSD, ETH and BTC were among the digital asset held by the company. Other digital asset holdings were $659 million, including third-party tokens. The Animoca Brands tokens Sand, Quid, Primate, Rev, Tower and GMEE were among the $4.2 billion in digital asset reserves. Animoca's key business unit include the Sandbox, Gaming, Enway, Blowfish Studio, Grease Monkey Games and blockchain service revenue from portfolio investments and partnerships. One of the world's biggest gaming companies, Epic Games, will feature a NFT and blockchain-based video game grid on the Epic Games Store. This is the first time Epic Games will feature a Web3 game. Grid is a NFT-based shooting game with an Old West theme developed by Gala Games. The Web3 gaming platform Gala Games integrates NFT into a blockchain ecosystem for games. Currently, Gala Games has over 1.3 million users. Grid is a multiplayer video game which will be available for free for Windows operating system. 10,000 players' avatars will be up for sale in Grid. Each avatar would have unique skins and can be customized by the owners. That's all in the bulletin for now. Keep watching Crypto TV.